Hi, in this video, we are going to study about the powers of sigma. This is one of the important theoretical concept in theory of computation. Most of the time, this concept is asked by the external examiners for YY examinations of the students. So now, let us consider this concept in much detail with all the powers of sigma. So, powers of sigma, now we are considering here set of alphabets or symbols as sigma is equal to 0 comma 1, means all the powers that we are going to see, we will see them with respect to these two symbols. So sigma raised to 0 is equal to set of all the strings of length 0, and set of all the strings of length 0 is always denoted by this epsilon sign. This sign is called as epsilon, or some people call it as a epsilon also. Pronunciation can be different based on the people. Okay, so this was about sigma to the power 0. Now sigma to the power 1 means sigma raised to 1. It is set of all the strings of length 1. So as per this set of alphabets that we have 0 comma 1, all the strings of length 1 are 0 and 1, the two symbols itself. Next is sigma raised to 2 or sigma to the power 2. It is set of all the strings of length 2. We have seen how to generate this language in the previous videos. So sigma to the power 2 is set of all the strings of length 2. From this available set of alphabets or symbols, strings of length 2 can be generated as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So 4 elements are present in this set. Sigma to the power 3. It is pretty much similar with sigma to the power 2. Let's see about it. Sigma to the power 3. It is set of all the strings of length 3. Here you can see 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. All the combinations that are possible by using 0 and 1, they are written over here. Now similarly, we have seen now sigma to the power 0 to the power 1, 2 and 3. So many numbers are present, we all know that. So up to sigma raised to n, that is set of all the strings of length n, where length cannot be defined. At that time we use this n to define the undefined length. So sigma to the power n is always denoted as 2 raised to n. And this last one is very important. This question is asked most of the time by external examiners in YY examinations. So this was all about the powers of sigma. Thank you.